Alright guys, we're here on our last day. And where are we? Oh yeah. We're here at the Makeki for our last day. There's no difference. My glass is fogging here in Australia. But we're here to buy our last bits and pieces for the kids back at home. Here, Noah, hold that back and don't drop it, okay? I've got him. Yeah, lovers. My son. I'm trying to get him to help me carry my stuff. Anyway, we'll go around looking for our last bits and pieces, okay? So come along, guys. Okay, I've got to get keyrings. Look around for some keyrings, Noah, for Savannah and where?
Keyrings.
Okay, yeah. Hold this for me, please. Fica o keyrings here.
5 tala.
5 tala. Right, hang on. So I'll get the girls one. Which one was Savannah like, do you think? I'll get the gentle one, eh? This one.
Yeah.
Gentle one.
That's funny. That lady charges 20 per and you know 10.
Okay. Aku mai I just look, okay? And then I pick ya, then I have a look,
okay.
see which one.
Which one? What is that?
So that's Savannah's. I think I'll get them all gentle ones. Which one do you think is good?
This big one?
This one? Pink one?
Yeah.
And this blue one? This one? Yeah, this one, that's nice, eh? And that one. I'll get one more. I'll get this one. This is another one. Yeah.
Shit, mate. Oh.
Wait, mine. Just look, what is it? It's like a bottle. Yeah, mine. So, far. Se kasih, oh, ni dia. Ni dia. Si mesmo pusa essa.
Iya, pusa essa.
Oh, ni si Chris. Oh, si vai, just pusa essa. Yeah, one more. Se kasih. Which one? No, can you pick one for this way? This one? Oh, no, I already got one like that. Yeah. This one. Yeah, that. You can hold it. Yang ada ko fa popo aku ta. Ya, nak. Oh. Ha?
Kau ke wow.
Yeah, oh my lord, sorry. You know. Thank you.
That's so mad.
Who's alphabet? So they got that, love Damien. Oh. Who's R? Okay, hang on. Yeah. Just get my purse. Oh, my purse is here. Okay, Noah, just hold this. Don't drop it, okay? Point it to me when I'm paying. Point it to me when I'm paying. Oh, yeah, here. Yeah. $80. Yeah, I'll hold my fan. Hi, love it.
Yeah,
Hi, love it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Where are you going now?
We're just gonna go now. We're gonna go. Oh, just want to ask a question. E ke lo se me mawai e se fu a Samoa ke le. Yeah. Kapung today. Oh. Oh. We were missing la okay. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, okay. I'll come tomorrow. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Some nice stuff.
V-neck bracelets, I can pay for it here. Babe, what do you think later would like?
I don't know. Think what we should have asked him.
And I tried to bring her video call her. Yeah. Mark reckons this. I said, no, this is more Genesis. Genesis will wear something like this. The album was St. Genesis one of these. Which one? That one's alright. That one's nice. Later will be something like this.
Mm.
No. And the one my son's got, the other one. And so how much is this?
We have time to come tomorrow when there's more stuff to be sold. Yeah. And because we don't leave till 12:30, so we'll have time to come and buy stuff. Oh yes. Yes. We leave at 12:30 from our room. Sorry.
What time do you take off? 12:30.
Huh?
So it's 12
E che lo se fa le fa che fu che lei a Samoa. Oh. Oh, yeah, I'm away. E fia ka wo ula. Maya. Dia family morning. are, yeah.
To film that.
Oh, sorry, my hair coming to Molly. Yeah, okay. Say, lover. I know I should butter, but no, not to our people.
No, for the kids make it.
Still more stuff here. Nice. I got G for my editor that does my videos, Geneva, and the other one, this one. I bought for my niece.
Hello.
Hello.
Di magkala tutuki. Suna. Di qua mai lako. Di muốn là gì? Dạ.
Yep. Phía kau có đi ngày à?
Di magkala tutuki. Doon na malawit. Di magkala. Tala sit.
Ui, chị xuôi sau câu đi mà. Mà đi ạ.
Kamaya, yaro makai di makana ay sukala nila po ana.
Mẹ đi phía? Phía đi.
Ang di makana. Hindi yaro size nga ro rin.
Yeah, you're more like granddaughter.
Oi,
Sorry. Yeah, that. Mày đi ạ. Yeah, quên á. Phật cháy đó vậy.
thank you. Kailan man
Thank
nila.
you. No, foot.
Wala aso. Mawala aso na.
Looking for anything?
Oh, oh no, Damien just wants the giant Samoan flag, so that's what I'm looking for. But they said, yeah, the big.
We don't have the Samoan flag.
Oh, the lady down there said it's the end one, but they're not open till tomorrow.
Well, I think only on Chinese stuff they say
Oh, where are they?
they all close down today.
Yeah, we'll check that tomorrow down here. That lady said
So Damien wants.
a giant. You get the biggest flag, Samoan flag I can get, because he wants to put it in his garage because that's their cave. Oh wow, these are massive.
Only for 10 tala that one.
Oh. Yeah. Auntie Flossie will fit that, eh? Because they'll look like dishes on me.
Got more.
I just, this is nice. How much is this one? How much is this one?
That one 80 tala. I'm the only family that shop, man. I can go for 70 if you want it. This is not the new buttons.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, my last one, go for 60.
60. I don't know who would wear it. Can you please hold this? Come here. Hold this. Put it to you. These are for Chloe and them to come and pick them some. Pick what they want. I love it. Thank you. Can you hold it till I put it away, son? Please.
Can you put your water in your bag?
She put it across your pocket. Because it will wet my stuff in there. Okay. Can you help? Oh, yeah. I should have bought a bigger bag. Yeah. I'll put this in here. That's for Chloe and them. Okay. Can you put that along your pocket, please? Oh, so hot. Where's that? Oh, she's still playing. Okay, I think it's time to go somewhere. Oh, look, she's even Spider-Man. What happened? Oh yeah. Amaya dia family morning. It's full of Kai lava. Really awesome. Misola. Yeah, if yeah. Oh. Really. Apia, yeah? Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'll try this one. This one. What about this one? No. Not this one. No, what about this one? No, what about this one? This one? No. E quere loli doppie up. Oh. Okay. Samoa. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Cool, mate. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love it. What we thought. Not that many stores open today because it's a public holiday, but they say tomorrow there'll be more stuff. Anyway, I'm sure I can find me a couple of dresses. I want to find some for my mum as well. I'm not really a good picker, eh? I wish you guys were here to help me pick. Listen, I know I bought a couple, right? And the neck, you know how the neckline looks set right? But when I took it home, it was like quite baggy. So I thought, I don't have a broad, wide shoulder parts. It does look wide from here though, eh? Anyway, I'm just going to keep looking and see if I can find something. No, just not the place. So pretty, so pretty. It's good they could just find anything and print it together. Paint it, make a design. Good. What's that? That doesn't look nice.